In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable email notifications in Hostinger. If you've been receiving too many emails from your Hostinger account and you want a quieter inbox, this is a quick setting you can adjust in just a few moments. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what to change so your account stops sending those email notifications. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in as you normally would. Make sure you're fully logged in to the main dashboard, because that's where you'll be able to access your account preferences and personal settings. If your dashboard takes a moment to load, just wait until everything is visible and ready before moving on. Once you're inside your account, look for your profile area. This is usually found in a corner of the dashboard and gives you access to account-related options. Click on your profile to open the menu. This is where Hostinger keeps settings connected to your account, rather than your websites or hosting plans. From the Profile menu, select Notification Settings. This section controls how Hostinger communicates with you, including alerts and updates that may be sent by email. When you open it, take a second to review the page, so you can clearly see which types of notifications are currently enabled. Here, under the email section, uncheck the options that are turned on. This action disables the email notifications you no longer want to receive. Be careful as you do this, especially if there are different categories listed, because some notifications may be useful for account activity, billing reminders, or important updates. If your goal is to stop email messages entirely, make sure everything under email is unchecked. If you only want fewer emails, you can leave on the categories that still matter to you. After unchecking the email notification options, give the page a quick look to confirm your changes have been applied. Some dashboards save automatically, while others may require you to confirm or save before leaving the page. If you see a Save button, be sure to click it. And that's it. You've successfully disabled email notifications in Hostinger. It's a simple adjustment, but it can make a big difference if you're trying to reduce inbox clutter and only keep the notifications that really matter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.